Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the stringer head off the older version of the Ego 56 volt cordless string trimmer. Let's get right to the video. First thing you're going to want to do is locate the two tabs on both sides of the stringer head. You're going to want to try to push in on these. If your hands aren't big enough, you're probably going to have to do one side with one finger and maybe get a screwdriver or something on the other side, or pop them out one at a time. But whenever you push in on those, the head's going to pop out, that spring's going to release, and that head's going to pop out. So whenever I first did this for the first time, one popped out before the other, and I did have to get a flathead screwdriver in there just to kind of help me push that other one, and all I had to do is just push it just a little bit and it just popped right out. So once you push those in, that head just pops out, and then you can jump in there and pull all the tangled up string that got in there. That usually happens if you put too much string on. It can get jammed up in there. It's just too much. I can't remember exactly what they recommend. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to put more than like 13 or 14 linear feet of string in the trimmer. And if you put too much, it's going to get jammed up in there and you're going to have all kinds of problems. But this is how you take the head off video, so you'll be good to go now. So get that string out, put the head back on empty, get your string, and just wind it like normal. That's it. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll catch you all on the next one.